What up, players? The circus.
Welcome to the circus.
Everybody gets quiet now because the cameras are out.
He's mad he lost the race, bro.
Who lost the race?
You lost the race.
When?
Right now on the freeway.
I'm gonna play a clip right now. I'm gonna play the clip.
No, don't
One
play
clip.
the
All right,
one.
see?
Don't play
Exactly,
the
exactly,
exactly. I didn't record the show.
You don't want it to go online, do you?
Post that
All
shit.
right.
But if you post it, I want to race from a dig.
No.
Yeah, from a dig. None of this rolling pussy shit from a dig. Let's see if you can drive.
See how emotional he gets?
Hold on, though. Hold on.
Yeah.
Don't say pussy shit and don't say none of that shit because you agreed to it.
Yeah.
Right?
So if you agree to something, it doesn't matter.
Why? It makes me a pussy. Yeah, it's fine.
So then
It's fine.
Okay, don't agree to something, then lose.
I want to
say
that's pussy shit.
you don't want to agree to from a dig because
I want to go from a dig.
you know what's going to happen if he goes from a dig.
Yeah, he's gonna lose.
One tire fire.
That's why he's putting turbo in his car.
But right now, right now, what's the record right now?
0-1.
All right, that's all that matters.
But yeah, but you're
It doesn't matter. That's it. End of story. End of story. We're moving on. On to the next one. And then that guy over there too. Look, that guy challenged me. Took an L today. Where is he at? Blake, call that for Will.
Blake, he's talking shit. Let's let's beat him up.
He's like,
You say you're 0-1 too?
both of you guys. 0-1. 0-1.
Bro, you didn't talk shit.
Both these guys.
I took Will C10 in my Nova. Just saying. His
Yeah.
his LS swap C10 with my 383.
Done. There's a bunch of L's around here. I'm gonna go look for some winners to hang out with. See you guys later.
Luxury Beats.
What up, players? Look at Will fucking walking away like a loser.
Girls mad at him.
We're here at one of the Gasratz spots. It's the second spot. After this, going to like an ice cream. I think they're going to get ice cream somewhere. But yeah, shit's pretty packed here. Sick.
Oh shit.
Time to light him up, Will.
Light him up, baby!
That fool's stuck. It's a bird.
It's a plane. It's a sky. Is he gonna do a burnout over here?
Ooh. Oh no.
He's like, we'll get somebody.
Light him up, baby!
Do it. Do the Mustang.
Oh, that shit's good.
Hey, that shit fucking moves.
That shit take off.
That's what we're here for! I get everybody to go!
Go, this one.
Go. What's that? Keep going.
The bird.
I'm sorry, brother. Keep on going.
Hey, Tom's coming! I don't want no pussy!
Yo, the whole family. Let's do the whole family.
The whole family, baby! Let's go! Oh, fuck!
The whole family.
it, baby! I know. That is not it. Two-wheel peel over.
Do we accept that?
Nope, nope, sorry.
Two-wheel peel. That was the wrong wheel.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
Hey, I love that he came from the back as well. Hey, I'm coming, look at me. I'm gonna do this fast.
Hey, this is fun.
Yeah.
Hey, Blake, all I'm saying is no action.
Bro.
Yeah, get this thing.
Oh! Who farted on us?
A little bit of anger road rage. Come on, we're just having fun.
You fools are ugly. Oh, that shit's dirty. What a gentleman.
I always treat my
Thanks,
woman
babe.
right.
Fool, turn your lights off.
Oh, they're hard, bro. Turn yours on.
Tell me in the comments if these shits are hard or not.
They're hard. Red lights, red car. Hey, this fool's not running over.
It's fucking Roberto. Fool, we're in public. Fool, stop acting like a child.
What are you talking about? I'm an instigator, not a child. This
No,
is
you're an Instagrammer. No,
He's an influencer.
yeah, you're an influencer now, fool.
influencing people to ruin their lives by a project.
What are you doing, fool?
I'm looking for my door handle. Fuck! Oh, fuck it.
What, to roll the window up? Just take this side off.
We're at the last spot. Oh, I don't gotta wear my mask. We're at the last spot for the Gasratz cruise. It's at this place, this ice cream place. Shit's packed, so with all these cars mostly spread out everywhere. But yeah.
Told you should have wore sleeves, bro.